Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and I'm still in Arizona. And yesterday I watched a video on YouTube from one of my pitmasters friend, Kyle Maciejewski from Your Behind Barbecue. You can check the video here. It's called Godfather. Made that recipe with his friend Justin Coffini, one of his competition friends, and I just felt in love with that recipe. It's called the Godfather, and it's really easy to do the recipe. You need only 5 ingredients: some peppers, some ground meat, some cheese, a bit of rub, and of course a bit of tomato sauce. I will do that recipe on my way on the Pitboss Pro Series 11 and 50 pellet grill. I will not reproduce exactly their recipe, okay, but it's almost the same. All right, let's go. The first thing that we need to do is to stuff the peppers with the ground meat. In their original recipe, they took the banana peppers, but I took some poblano peppers because I couldn't find the banana peppers, but I guess the poblano would be perfect just because they are large enough to be stuffed with meat, and they are not too hot like the banana peppers, so it should be perfect. So we will stuff the peppers with the meat, then we will apply some rub. I will use the sweet heat rub from Pitboss, and I will put the stuffed peppers in a cast iron pan, and then we will smoke the peppers for maybe 1 hour at 110 Celsius degrees, so 225 Fahrenheit degrees. Okay, and then we will pour the sauce, the cheese, and we will raise the temperature of the grill to maybe 200 Celsius degrees to grill the cheese. All right, let's go. So first, I remove the top of the pepper. Now I will open it, but not until the end. Okay, I will remove the seeds, and now I will stuff the pepper with the meat. Okay. Some rub. So there is about 130 or 140 grams of meat per pepper. All right, now we're gonna smoke that for 1 hour at 110 Celsius degrees, 225 Fahrenheit. All right. All right, you see the great color that I have now. So the meat renders some fat, but it's still good. So now I just have to pour the tomato sauce, add the cheese, and raise the temperature of the grill at 200 Celsius degrees, and let them cook for maybe 10 minutes, and we're good. Look at that. So thank you, Justin. Thank you, Kyle, for this amazing recipe. I hope you appreciate this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.